Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today we'll be discussing an integral part of the software development process, deployment and release management as defined by ISO 12207. ISO 12207 provides a guidance on software lifecycle processes, including deployment and release management, crucial for successful software delivery. Let's delve into how ISO 12207 defines and guides these processes. ISO 12207 sets the framework for software lifecycle processes, including development, maintenance, and deployment. Deployment and release management are key components of this framework, ensuring that software is effectively delivered to end users while meeting quality and performance standards. Before we proceed further, let's clarify what deployment and release management entail. Deployment involves the processes of making software available for use in a specific environment, such as a production server or end user device. Release management, on the other hand, focuses on the planning, scheduling, and coordination of software releases, ensuring smooth transitions from development to production environments. Deployment and release management processes in ISO 12207. ISO 12207 outlines several processes related to deployment and release management to facilitate effective software delivery. Some of the key processes include deployment planning, developing a comprehensive plan for deploying the software, including resource allocation, risk assessment, and scheduling. Configuration management, managing and controlling changes to software configurations throughout the deployment processes to maintain consistency and integrity. Release preparation, preparing the software release package, including documentation, installation instructions, and any necessary updates or patches. Deployment execution, executing the deployment plan, installing the software in the target environment, and conducting necessary tests to ensure functionality and performance. Release validation, validating the deployment software to ensure it meets specified requirements and performs as expected in the production environment. Release review and closure, reviewing the deployment process, documenting lessons learned, and closing out the release to transition to the next phase of development or maintenance. Benefits of adhering to ISO 12207. Following ISO 12207's guidelines for deployment and release management offers several benefits. Improved quality. Rigorous planning and testing ensure that software releases meet quality and performance standards, reducing the likelihood of defects and failures. Enhanced collaboration. Clear processes and communication channels facilitate collaboration between development operations and other stakeholders involved in the deployment process. Risk mitigation. Systematic risk assessment and mitigation strategies minimize the potential impact of deployment-related issues on software delivery and end-user satisfaction. Efficient deployment. Streamlined processes and automation tools enable efficient deployment of software releases, reducing downtime and improving time to market. In conclusion, adherence to ISO 12207's guidelines for deployment and release management is crucial for successful software delivery. By following systematic processes, organizations can ensure that software is deployed effectively, meeting quality standards and end-user expectations. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.